your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't.
Where's Kaden? Warm?
Can I go in, Beppa?
Ha?
Can I go in?
Anak, mamaya kayo mag-swim pag nandito na si Daddy. Diyan lang muna kayo sa tabihan.
Why do you not know how to swim?
Sobrang calm ng sea. Tapos doon yun sa malayo, yung mga cottages na nasa dagat. Yan yung stilts. So malapit lang siya, halos katabi lang nitong Edna's Beach. Ito yata yung isa, yung mas malapit, yung Manuel Uy. Yan. Low tide ngayon or Kati.
I wanna come.
Ewan ko, Kati yung tawag namin eh. Kati yung tawag namin sa San Pedro. Tapos pag high tide, Taog. Okay.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life.
I got two. That's funny, right, Aria?
Oh, busy Zachary. Hey guys, today we're celebrating Tatay's birthday. So we're here. And ito yung setup. Wala pa lang yung food. Dito mamaya yung lechon. Maaga pa naman. 1 pa lang. Mamaya pang 3 p.m. yung celebration. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kain na po! Ay, kain na po! Kamusta? Mari lalagay. Kain na po.
Energy, no energy.
Thank you, ma'am, sir. Kuhanin mo doon kay kuya, yung malaking strong iyo.
Straw, big. Big straw. Big straw.
Strawberry.
Diling. Dusty, akala ko talaga chocolate lang ang order mo. Kaya sabi ko mali. Kay Yuli. Ano yan, damo?
Grass. Ano? Bermuda.
Unix, Jewel.
Look at Novi. He's sleeping. No energy.
Tira mo tayo yung sis.
Hindi siya magalaw.
Ang galing.
Ah, itapat mo sa iyo.
Mommy, she's
Yan yan.
walang cool.
Ang galing.
Dog siya? Dog siya na? Ba't ang puti mo dyan?
Ayun nga. Ito yan. Saan na yun?
Pag yung creator combo ay 30,000. Siguro yung mga 25. Pag yung camera.
Huwag kasi kami nag-video ng mga 3D printed yung review namin. Hirap kami.
Ganda niya pag
Paano
slow mo.
Paano ito iharap dito?
Yung swimming.
Oh my god, I'm not ready.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late.
Hindi sila prepared.
I can be driven.
Hindi sila prepared.
Hindi sila prepared talaga. Be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But
Kaway-kaway!
there when you need me, 'cause I know that you think
Wow! Carinderi! Ay, Carinderi. Sari-sari store.
confident.
Wait lang, nak.
So I
Hey! Naniligo na agad kayo.
Pipicture tayo.
Saan?
Doon sa sulong yan.
Hi guys. Hi guys, we're swimming. Yeah.
Ganda ng view.
Yeah, I know. Mommy, why are you making me sing?
Ay, walang tulakan ha.
Noe was like doing this to me.
who I am and who I want.
Puno at PJ! Maraming puhunan!
Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece.
Ay, yung hotel po tinigilan po namin. Ay, sa baba po ano, may mga...
Stokan eh. Ha?
Meron po ano.
In progress,
Ang galing, magbaliktad.
Ha?
Bilis naman.
I'm indecisive. I don't know why. My good
Next.
intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry. You can't face me. We can talk it out. No, we don't need to fight. I can get
Ay.
anxious, but I won't cry. Never know, 'cause I keep it inside.
Break,
So I show up strong,
Alaya?
maybe too far.
Gonna have
I know that two things can be true.
Tamang balat.
'Cause I
Ganito na yung Alex.
lost the blues. So
Makain mo na.
Well, I can only do it because she's 7, and I can't do it because I'm only 5.
You want to learn to swim?
Can you help? So one.
Tama sa mami. Ang bali nga pala pa ako.
Oh, hindi pa, pa. Oh. This is second level. Second level. No more?
Lapit ko sa mami.
who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing.
Yeah. Ay, yung sound. Yung sound. Ah. Ha? Ikot ng dalawa. Sorry.
This is the view sa room namin. Sobrang ganda and sobrang nakaka-relax. Paus na ako sa pagsigaw. Tapos sa labas niyan may jacuzzi. And yung view is yung Taal Volcano. Doon sa may right side niyan, nandun naman yung Mount Makulot. Diyan. Kaya hindi masyadong kita dito. Pero pag lumabas, nandun yung Mount Makulot. Sobrang ganda ng view, guys. Sobrang nakaka-relax lagi. Tignan yung view ng Taal Lake and Taal Volcano. Tapos, nandun kasi sa malayo, hindi kita sa video, pero yun, yung mga bundok na yun, Tagaytay yun. Kung makikita niyo yung 5 na buildings na yun, yun yung SMDC, yung Wind Residence sa Tagaytay. So, parang magka-level lang yung taas nito dito sa Tierra Cuta. Guys, we're staying pala dito sa Tierra Cuta. Hindi ko alam kung mention ko na kahapon. Pero ito, we're staying here sa Tierra Cuta sa Santa Teresita, Batangas. Yan ang mga bata. Ang oras lang, 7:30 pagkagising. Nag-breakfast lang tapos naligo na. Swimming na ulit sila. Via. Sam.
Is that waterproof?
No, it's not. Piel. Noe. Hi.
Hi. Go straight kicks.
1, 2, 3.
Kana. Galing.
Wala, nakakain ka lang?
Hi, Mom.
Good morning.
Wait, kasi ka?
Adi din na pa lang kay Dennis.
Ito, hawakan.
Aray ko? Wait lang. Sabi. Aray ka. Sabi mo na dasan.
Coffee nila.
Sir, ulam.
Walang damit, mas
Sir, ulam. Yummy. Yan, babe. That's too bad.
Hindi, mas malamig eh.
Ikuhaan mo.
You're selfish, always wanting more, can't help it. You think you got like pure, who'll tell them that his lies are
Kuya.
You're careless, a little immature, you
Iyo.
get jealous when you close the door, go on relish in your own damn storm. Oh no,
Hi, Mika. Kita ko yun, tatlo agad sunod-sunod na sila.
always wanting more, can't help it. You think you got
Awi.
like pure, who'll tell them
Awi.
it's just illusion. Oh no.
Ate.
Meron kami kutsara.
Growing up, every
I
time
need
just
3
to
spoons of
support your
food
passion,
para mapunin bigay. Ano yun?
Noe, ah.
Kasi may nagmamassage sa kanya eh, oh. Sa tubig. Sa may point niya, meron.
Jacuzzi is right there. Did you guys had fun swimming?
Yes.
You love it here? Sleepy?
Baby, never bothered with my lies are stupid like traffic. Lazy. Got away with too many damn mistakes. I won't take that lying on the ground. 'Cause you can't show up for one damn thing. Why would I wanna keep you around? You're selfish, always want more, can't help it. You think you got like pure hotel, that is nice and boring.
Yabang ni Noe.
You're careless, a little bit
Paano, Noe? Paano, Noe?